Okay, so when you go to brainpop.com to enter a code that has been sent for you from school, you're going to press enter code here, and it will come up with just a pop-up for you to enter that code. I want to pause, put my code in, and hit submit. So at this point, either I'm going to connect my username and password that I already have if I have a BrainPop account, but if I don't have a BrainPop account, then I would click here to sign up now. So that's what I'm going to click. And it is leading me specifically to the teacher that sent out the invitation. Creating an individual login. So I don't have that, so I would put in first name, last name, username, password, and retype the password. And it has you do a security question and pick a security image and then create an account. So I'm going to fill that out and see where we go next. So after you fill in that information, it then says congratulations that you're successful in setting it up, and it has what your username is. When I press the button at the bottom of the last screen, it brought me to this, so I can either enter that username and password that I just created, or it has the G Suite for Education. So let's see if this will work for Central Dauphin. And BrainPop says you cannot sign in with the G Suite. So when you're back at that sign in, this login page, go ahead and use the username and password that you created for yourself. Once you're logged into BrainPop with that username and password that you created, so make sure you write those things down, you'll then have the options. There's science over here, social studies, English, math, and you can go ahead and see all of the learning that they have on BrainPop.